Hey guys, Retired at 40, thanks for tuning in. Today I need you, the viewers' help. I'm trying to vacuum seal ball jars, and here's what happens when I try and do it. Okay, so normally we would just take the shelf out and undo the plug in the back. Stick your ball jars in here, put your seal back on, close the door, adjust our cycle time so it's 0 freeze time, and then hit start so our pump kicks on. But I'm getting this message, and it knows that the cable is disconnected. Even if I hit this cable is reconnected, continue now button, it just does it again. So I'm begging you, pretty please. There's lots of you that are a lot smarter than I am. Please tell me if you know of a solution in order to fix this. This is Retired at 40. Remember to live life simple. We'll catch you next time. I look forward to your comments.